Hello, students. How are you? Today, we're going to learn about the mean deviation about median, which is an important topic of class 11th mathematics. Chapter name is statistics. While calculating mean deviation about median, we are given the questions as a frequency table. In this question, we are given a frequency table whereas x shows a particular number and f shows how many times that number is appearing in that data, which means number 10 is appearing 7 times, number 13 is appearing 3 times, number 20 is appearing 8 times, number 25 is appearing 5 times, 30 is coming 6 times, 35 is 8 times, 40 is coming 4 times, and 45 is appearing 9 times. Now we need to calculate mean deviation about median. So for calculating median, as we have learnt in class 10th mathematics, how to calculate median of a given frequency distribution. For this, we need to make a table of cumulative frequency. In this table, we see that the cumulative frequency table shows that 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 5, 23, 23 plus 6, 29, 29 plus 8, 37, 37 plus 4, 41, and 41 plus 9 is 50. That means our given data is made up of 50 observations. Now we know when the number of observations is even, the median is calculated by using the formula n upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. Calculating median using these data, we have n equals to 50, 50 upon 2th term, 50 upon 2 plus 1th term, 50 upon 2 that is 25th term, and 26th term divided by 2. We now have to find out what is the 25th term and what is the 26th term. So for this, our cumulative frequency table shows that the observations which is coming after 23 are 24, 25 and 26 up to 29, and it also shows that 25th term and 26th term both have the value of 30. So it is 25th term is 30 and 26th term is again 30 divided by 2. Calculating the value of m, we get the answer as median of the given data is 30. Another part of this question is asking about mean deviation. Now that we have calculated the median, we need to find out the mean deviation about median. The formula for calculating mean deviation is given by the expression summation of frequency multiplied by xi minus m upon summation of frequency. So in this formula, we need to calculate what is the product of frequency and xi minus m. Xi minus m is separately calculated in a different column of our table. So now that we see xi is the value of x for a corresponding value of I, and m is the median of the table given data, which is 30 that we have just now calculated. Now xi minus m is 10 minus 30, which is 20, and we need to calculate the absolute value of this quantity. That means we do not consider the negative sign. So 10 minus 20 is 10 minus 30 is plus 20. 15 minus 30 is taken as 15. 20 minus 30 is taken as 10. 25 minus 30 is taken as 5. 30 minus 30 is taken as 0. 35 minus 30 is taken as 5. 40 minus 30 is taken as 10, and the difference is 45, and median is given taken as 15. Now we have a different quantity, that is xi minus m, and according to the formula, now we have to calculate the product of frequency, that is Fy, and the quantity xi minus m. This product is shown in this column where we are multiplying the frequency and the corresponding value of xi minus m. So the frequency corresponding to the value xi minus m, 20, and the frequency is 7. 20 into 7 is 140. Another value is 15 multiplied by 3, that is 45. 10 multiplied by 8 is 80. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. 0 multiplied by 6 is 0. 5 multiplied by 8 is 40. 10 multiplied by 4 is 40, and 15 multiplied by 9 is 135. Our job is nearly done. Now we need to calculate the summation of all these values, which is 505. Once we have calculated these value, we simply put these value into a formula for calculation of mean deviation, which is given by the expression sigma f xi minus m divided by sigma f, which is 505, and the value of sum of all the frequencies is 50, that is 10.1, which is the mean deviation about median of the given frequency distribution. I hope this is quite clear how to calculate the mean deviation of a given frequency distribution. Thank you.